Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix Snapchat add friends not showing problem. Well, it's quite easy. What you're going to do is simply get to the Snapchat, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from here all you need to do is tap on your profile icon right here and then tap on this gear like icon, get to the settings of your Snapchat, and then from here all you have to do is scroll down until you see the option of privacy control, and under it here you can see clear data. Tap on it, and then from here you can see the option of clear cache. All you need to do is tap on clear cache and then tap on clear. Here you can see it is now clearing your cache, and this is all you need to do in order to fix that problem. And here you can see we'll need to restart the application, so tap on OK. You can now simply open the Snapchat again, and now I think your problem will be fixed. So if it's still not fixed, then the another solution is to simply update your Snapchat. So for that, we'll need to get to the App Store. Simply open your App Store, get into the search bar right here, tap on it, and then start typing Snapchat. Simply search for Snapchat, and here you can see this is Snapchat. Tap on it. Here you can see update requirement is there. So all you need to do is tap on update. If there are no update requirement, there will only be the option of open. So you can make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. So for now, I'm going to tap on update, and within few seconds here you can see my app will successfully be updated. Here you can see it has successfully been updated, and that is it. These are two ways that you can try to fix your Snapchat add friends not showing problem. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.